As thousands of people died in Illinois from COVID-19 in 2020, there was another issue causing a climbing body count.
Janie Bowman joins us in studio to show us why leaders say opioid overdose deaths went up last year after previous declines. Janie.
Kimberly, Rebecca, in the first 3 quarters of 2020, the Illinois Department of Public Health says there were 2,151 opioid overdose deaths in the state. It's an increase of more than 560 deaths compared to the same period in 2019. I spoke with local leaders on what this crisis looks like in Peoria and how the pandemic played a potential role in the increase in deaths. Opioids like heroin, prescription pain relievers, and synthetics like fentanyl are here in our community. Peoria County Coroner Jamie Harwood says narcotics contributed to 43 overdose deaths in 2020.
I say these numbers so flippant. Behind every one of these names is a son, a daughter, a mother, a father, an uncle, and that's the devastating part.
In 2017, the county recorded 67 overdose deaths. It's a number that's been steadily dropping. 59 in 2018 and just 37 in 2019.
Till recently, till this past year, we had seen quite a bit of success in those numbers declining.
Jolt Harm Reduction Program Director Chris Schaffner says the pandemic played a role in the increase.
Between, I want to say, March and May of last year, we saw a 40% increase in fatal overdoses compared to the previous year in 2019.
Harwood says it was harder to reach people in need.
You have a stay-at-home order, right? And so you're not socializing, you're not getting out.
Schaffner says it was also more difficult to distribute free and life-saving medication. Jolt hands out kits like this one. It includes 3 doses, syringes, and step-by-step instructions.
We don't want cost to be a barrier to anybody accessing this life-saving medication.
And he says Jolt is now working better during the pandemic, finding safe solutions to reach people.
We can Zoom with somebody and do a quick Narcan training.
Coroner Harwood says so far this year there are no opioid overdose deaths. He says education and outreach can help prevent overdoses. Rebecca.